Always use a secure authentication and mutual authentication. IPsec offers encapsulation mode or authentication header AH. SMB, as example, can be signed. Email protocols also have secure protocols that can be used. The list goes to almost all protocols. Awareness is essential here. You can't really be proactive without the employees being aware of the security risks and what to do in case something suspicious happens. VoIP systems usually are implemented unencrypted. Well, again, there is a secure protocols that can be used to avoid this kind of issue.